Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix microphone not working or not detecting problem in Windows 11. First method is click, Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access. Second method is type mm.cpl in Windows search bar, click mm.cpl. Click Recording tab. Right-click select Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select your microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab. Change to maximum, also enable speaker. Click Apply, click OK. Third method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click microphone, click Update Drivers, search automatically for drivers. Click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click microphone, click Uninstall device. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.